Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2021 BMW X3 wiper blades. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the ignition. Lift the wiper arm carefully to the service position and clean the windshield edge with a soft cloth. Remove the old blade by releasing its clip and slide it off the hook. Compare the new blade length to the old one before fitting to ensure a correct match. Begin by lifting the wiper arm gently into the service position so it stays away from the glass. Locate the small retaining tab on the blade where it connects to the arm and press it down while sliding the blade away from the hook. Keep one hand on the arm to prevent it from springing back. Place the old blade aside and inspect the arm for bent metal or corrosion before installing the replacement. Position the new blade so the connector lines up with the arm hook, then slide it into place until you hear a clear click signaling the retention clip engaged. Tug gently on the blade to confirm it is secure, then lower the arm slowly back onto the windshield to avoid cracking the glass. Turn on the ignition and cycle the wipers to check for smooth travel and proper contact across the windshield for streak-free performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.